In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the subject line in Brevo, and, as promised, we'll do this in just 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is open a new tab in your web browser. Once you've got that set up, type Brevo into your search bar and hit enter. This should bring up your search results, and you're going to click on the first link. This is typically Brevo's official website, your gatekeeper to all their tools and resources. Now that you're on the Brevo homepage, it's time to log in. You'll find the login option typically in the top right corner of the screen. Depending on whether you've saved your details or not, you may need to enter your username and password. Make sure you've got those details handy, as we often tend to forget them at the most inconvenient times. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the Brevo dashboard. From the dashboard, we're heading straight to the marketing section. You'll find this by looking for a tab or a menu labeled Marketing. Click on that, and under this section, you're going to find Templates. This is where all your email templates live. You'll want to navigate right there. The idea here is that we're going to work on an existing template, so go ahead and select a template from your list. Once you've chosen the template you want to edit, click on Edit. This will take you to the template's editing page. With the template open in editing mode, our focus shifts to the Setup tab. Click on that, and it will reveal various settings related to your email template. Among these settings, look for the subject line field. This is your target. Here, you can modify the text to whatever you need it to be. Remember, the subject line is crucial. It's the first thing your recipients will see and can determine whether your email gets opened or not, so choose your words wisely. A good subject line is often concise, engaging, and speaks directly to the interests or needs of your audience. Once you're satisfied with your new subject line, it's time to wrap things up. To save your work, you'll see an option that says Next Step or Save, depending on the version you're using. Clicking this will ensure all your changes are securely saved and your subject line is ready to go when you send out your emails. And there you have it. You've successfully edited the subject line in Brevo. This simple yet powerful change can significantly impact your email marketing efforts. Thanks for following along, and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions. Until next time, happy emailing!